Hi everyone, I'm DN4 from Watson Agent's second stage. I'm here to show how to run the Mixtral-8x7B models using Watson Edge on the MacBook Pro and 2 Max laptop. And use this repository, second stage Llama utils repository as an example. I'll use these two models. They are both 32 gigabytes. One is Mixtral-8x7B extract model, and one is Dolphin 2.5 Mixtral-8x7B model. Okay, let's get started. And to use the Llama utils, I use the chat example from the Llama utils repository. And since we got two different models, and these two different models have different prompt template format. So first I'll try the Mixtral-8x7B extra model, and it's the prompt template of this model is Llama 2 chat. So I use this Llama 2 chat as a parameter. Okay, let's go. And the first question I'll try is this. These three most popular books, the information should come list. You could see since despite I just started Watson Edge, but it takes a very short time to load the models. I think it is because the always cache the model file in the RAM. So it starts very fast. Yeah. And the next question, I'll ask the bot to implement the HTTP API service to return the previous answer. And yeah, the bot is trying to help me to finish the HTTP API server. And you could see the bot create a HTTP API server with two endpoints, the root and the API books. So we can copy this Python script onto this is the Python code the bot just returned, and I can run this Python script. And you can see it started a localhost HTTP server at port 5000. Oh, yeah. And at the root endpoint, it returned a welcome message. And let's try the API. The API books endpoint returned the JSON we just asked the bot to create. And yeah. And now let's try the different Mixtral model. The Dolphin model. The Dolphin model is used the chat-ML prompt template format. So I changed these two variables. And now I want the model to help me to implement an HTTP API client to get the API from the previous example and print title and also field using pretty table. You can see the model is loading into my memory, and once the model is loaded, GPU usage will goes up about 100% to do the inference. Yeah. And now the bot is return a client code of using Python. And it also tell me how to install the dependence package. Let's copy the code. That's the code. Run this code. And you could see that, yeah, the code is correct to query the API endpoint. We're just using the model to help us implement. And yeah, that's it. That's my demo to show how to use the Watson Edge to run the Mixtral-8x7B model using Watson Edge MacBook laptop.
Oh, that's excellent. So DM4, can you remind us what is the machine you are running on?
It's Apple M2 Max with
M2 Max. Okay.
M2 Max with 64 gigabytes RAM.
Okay, yeah, that's because the MoE model is fairly large. It has like 7 billion parameter expert models underneath it.